Hi, teacher. For the step 3 from activity 4, if you could have any job in the world, what job would it be? If I could have a job, I would be a physical trainer. I would really enjoy it because I can help people to behavior and they have a good physical appearance. I feel so happy I additionally practice exercise at the same time and they contribute to my health. If I could have any job, I think I would like to be the bestseller of sporting goods. I think this because if I love cycling and climbing. My opinion regarding health care and the practice of exercise is that is a vital to maintain very good health. I recommend first drinking 2 liters of water daily. Second, consuming vegetables and fruits. Third, take short walk to the 20 minutes. Explain to me, what was the last job you had? My last important job has been to the fax machines. I worked tired tier for the 10 years. I remember repairs machines that counted money. I've different banks to the experience was very regarding since I learned new technologies and practical tool repairs electronic device. Thanks, teacher.